Hey guys, Kalila here and welcome to another video. This is just another short video of me talking about what I made, which is a bucket hat. So my sisters and I are going to a concert in June and we want to make our own outfits. So a cardigan, a crop top, and a bucket hat. And in this video, I'm going to be making the bucket hat that I'll be wearing. So we went to Michael's to get the yarn that we needed because we wanted to get impeccable, and impeccable is so great. I wanted to use the color yellow, this yellow right there. I got that green for my sister, but I wanted to use that yellow and they didn't have the amount I needed. So I had to go with pink. I don't usually wear pink, but I ended up going with it because it's a concert, you know, you wear crazy colors if needed, you know, something different than what you usually wear. The last ball didn't have a ball band, but I still got it because it was still the size that I wanted. Like, it was still a full skein, so that didn't matter. I also got white yarn so that I could use it as an accent color. And while doing the colors, I was trying to figure out which one should go first, which one should go second. So I decided to go with a pink, white, pink color scheme. And with this clip right here, I'm just winding up the yarn because I didn't want to search all over just to find a center pull, and I really wanted a center pull for my yarn because I didn't want anything to hinder me from getting this done quickly. I usually use my furls hook, but this time I'm using a prim hook because I don't have a 5mm in the furls hook, but it's okay because this hook brand is literally so good. I 100% recommend it. This was my first time actually making anything granny squared besides a blanket. I don't count the blanket. That's just a blanket. That wasn't like a square. I hadn't made a granny square object, hat, how do you call those things? Accessory before. So I was like, this is so cool. So like I said, I started alternating the colors of the hat with pink, then white, and then pink. But then Malika told me that we originally planned to do it with white, pink, white, pink. So I finished the hat, but I was like, it's not gonna be for me. But you know, I'm skipping ahead. It didn't take me long to do the hat at all, maybe a couple hours. And after doing that hat, I just decided, let me make another one. The other one just won't be for me, the first one I made. So as I was working on the second hat, Malika was making it with me, like her own. And the more I worked through it, the more I realized I actually like the original one that I did more. I still finished the second hat, but here you can see that the one I just finished has more white in it, and the first one I did actually looks like a flower, which is what we wanted. We wanted a flower type of hat. And so that's the one I'm gonna go with to go with my outfit. And here I'm just trying it on and it fits so perfectly. Oh gosh. And since I left my space, like my humble space that I do everything at, I forgot to bring a tapestry needle with me, so I couldn't weave in my ends as I went. And I could have gone upstairs and gotten a needle, but I was just too comfy and too invested in this project. Like, I was just enjoying it so much. I wrote everything I did out, so Malika will probably turn it into a pattern sometime, maybe, we'll see. But that is it. I'm so happy with how this turned out. This was literally the most fun I ever had crocheting, literally, because you guys know I was like, I'm not gonna crochet really a lot, and now my love for crochet has been reignited. And so I'm just so happy because I never wanted to give crochet up, and I'm so glad I found a reason to keep crocheting. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye!